Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a website from your GoDaddy account. Whether you are cleaning up unused sites, switching platforms, or just starting fresh, let's get into it. First of all, head over to godaddy.com and log into your account. Once you are in, click on your account name, then click My Products section. This is where all your domain and websites are listed, like that, like this. Now find the website you want to delete. If it's a website plus marketing or managed WordPress site, see, you will see a manage button from your right side of the screen. Click that to enter the website dashboard. Once you are inside dashboard, click the settings tab, scroll down to site history to or site actions. Look for delete website or reset site. Confirm the deletion when prompted. If it's a managed WordPress site, click on settings, scroll down to delete site. Confirm permanently deleting the site and files. Remember, this cannot be undone. So make a backup if you need anything. If you also want to cancel hosting or stop billing, go back to my products, find the hosting plan, and click the manage or cancel renewal option. This step prevents GoDaddy from charging you in the future for hosting you no longer need. And that's it. Your GoDaddy website is now deleted. Quick tip: if you are moving to another builder like Wix, WordPress, or Durable AI, make sure your domain is pointed to the new site. So, quick recap: just click on settings and scroll down to delete tab, and that's it. Wait few minutes. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you need help with domain transfers or backups. So, see you the next time. Thanks for watching.